I just want to share a way that you can check up on your students. I know some have students that aren't attending, and here's a way that you can look and see what they're doing with their tutorial. If you click students right here and search their name, it'll pull up what they have signed up for in tutorial lifetime sort of statistics here. And so we can see this student hasn't been signing up very much for it. So I can have a talk with her about that. Also, I can see, um, the whole schedule of what they've been doing with their lab. So anybody can use this. You look a student up, see what they're doing in tutorial. Another place that would be handy to look at when trying to find out what students are doing as far as tutorial goes is to look at their advisory attendance. I can see here in that this student, the same student, hasn't been attending their tutorials, probably hasn't been signing up for them. So it's a conversation that I could have with that student during advisory.